Welcome to EduHome, a smart home automation learning kit designed to make STEM education hands-on, fun, and affordable. Where learning meets innovation. Many students learn electronics and automation only from books, without the tools to apply their knowledge in real life. EduHome makes learning practical with affordable, compact, and expandable smart home modules. EduHome includes a working smart fan and LED lighting system, easy to assemble and fun to use. Learn how DC motors work and control them with switches and wiring. Discover circuit basics, resistor use, and push-button control. EduHome teaches electronics fundamentals, automation concepts, and creative problem-solving. EduHome is also perfect for schools, STEM clubs, and hobbyists looking to explore smart technology. Students gain confidence, creativity, and real technical skills through hands-on building. EduHome creates building innovators, one kit at a time.